Monday morning. I've got this new shaker for my Optifast shakes, and this morning I'm having a coffee flavoured one. It's dead easy. 200 ml of water. Done. Lovely. Hoping for really good results this week. I think I'm going to increase the amount of water that I'm drinking. I mean, I've already been drinking quite a lot, but I'm going to increase that and see if that helps. I'm into week 5 now, and I've noticed that my skin is a lot clearer. I guess I've got to put that down to that. It seems weird, just a massive reduction in calories has an effect on your skin. Had some messages with Karen. She's really encouraging me to refocus and get this last bit of weight off in a really big push now. And then just a nice sort of encouraging message to say she'll be checking in again after the weekend to see this week's weight loss. People say things like, where have you gone? You know, you've lost loads of weight, don't lose any more. Why are you trying to lose so much weight? You're fine as you are. You know, and I say, well, actually, I've got at least another stone to go, or possibly 2. And they're like, you're going to disappear. And you say, well, it's more about reversing diabetes than any particular sort of size. I hope you can see this. It's rather sunny this morning. This is a photo from May the 19th, 2001. We kind of had 2 weddings. And in that photo, I would have been getting close to 15 stone, I think. Today, we're going to lay it all out on a board, and you know, John's going to put his input into this as well, and we're going to have a really good think about best way to move forward. Got married shortly after that, realised I had this high blood pressure, but didn't really take it very seriously. You have to really sort of accept that this is happening, because it's quite easy to just shrug your shoulders and carry on with life. Last Friday, John decided that he couldn't be bothered to cook. He decided he was going to go and get a massive kebab. And he was like, I could hear him on the phone going, oh, I'm going to have a large lamb kebab with this, that and the other. And I was like, I lost it. I was like, right, it's Friday night. You know, I've got this strawberry shake. You're buying this kebab that's going to stink the house out, you know, whereas you could just cook something like, I want you to cook something healthy for the children as well. You know, I want you to have that mindset, right, you know, I'm going to cook something nice rather than like, oh, I'm just going to phone up the chip shop.
The boys to football training, so when I came back, it was a bit late to cook.
To come out of today with a clear vision of which direction is the best one for me to take, that's what I'm hoping to get from today, and what this will mean to my family. Once you've had type 2 diagnosis, you have a HbA1c test twice a year. To be honest, it's just crept up and up and up. And then last year, 2019, it just started to go a bit crazy. Would like to get this to 45. You can cope with this. You can kind of carry on getting on with your day. Whereas before I'd have been like, oh, I'm starving. Give me this, that or the other. That mindset of, no, I'm hungry, I need something to eat immediately has kind of gone now. I think I can kind of cope with that, and I think once you've got that control, it's a bit easier. I'm a little bit of a control freak and would like to think that once I've got the HbA1c where it needs to be, and then having done 2 weeks on glucose monitoring, I shall be able to know what I need to do for the rest of my life to keep that blood sugar down. Quite a bit to look forward to the next few weeks. I'm hoping to get an HbA1c test sorted out in about 4 weeks' time. And then the next step is climbing up this hill with, you know, a bunch of ladies who are really lovely. If we can achieve that and get to the top safely, brilliant.
So how's it been going?
Yeah, all right. Seems like it's gone quick and it's been slow at the same time, if that makes sense. Yeah.
Did you feel hungry though? So 800 calories, that's really
First few weeks were really, really tough, and then it just gets easier. When I started this diet, I was 14 stone 6.
Right.
Well, this morning was 12.10.
Whoa! It's a brilliant thing to do, and fair play to you to have the self-discipline to do it.
Up there, all the way up here. It's
onwards.
So we're debating which way to get up this hill.
Okay, so that's what you're getting.
And this is suitable
Getting
for
3
normal
peaks.
people. This is like,
If you take your time, yeah.
right,
It's a path. It's a definite
Yeah.
path.
we can whip up there.
Yeah.
It's going to be lovely. Whip up there, whip back down.
Sandy's not an elite athlete. She's not somebody who can devote her whole life to this process. She has to get on with the rest of her life. She's a really busy mum.
She's much more positive, I would say, than she has been before, and she is totally focused on sorting herself out and making sure that she's got a future that isn't impinged by ill health.
I really hope that people will see this and think, actually, I can take control of this. I don't have to let my diabetes control me. I can do something about it. I can take control.
Lovely evening with the ladies. Can't tell you enough how grateful I am that they're willing to support me with this and understand where I'm heading.